Welcome everybody in this new fresh airdrop video, testnet video. This airdrop that you are seeing on the screen not yet published totally. Okay, you are on the early bird, you are early riser in this airdrop. Okay, so you don't need to spend anything at all, just you need to follow their instructions. You need to join Discord in order to get the airdrop testnet. So it's totally early, you can totally see it good way. Okay, and getting update, you can check out description box, paid channel available, not any free channel has now. So if you want to get free channel, write down comment. Okay, anyhow, where I do this is a paid channel that you are seeing, so you will find this channel link description box, as well as channel description box, you can check it out, as well as here is guru. So let's say you join in this channel. So now go to Discord, and here is written by here link. What you need to do, just click on here and go to the Discord. Where you has Discord, maybe you have in browser, maybe you have mobile phone in apps, whatever. I usually will use apps in here. So let's say you click on this here button, and that here button will bring you inside of in Discord. So here is, I already joined. I did verify slightly. Maybe you already know how to do verify on Discord. So anyhow, here is couple of section you are seeing that you need to interact with this section: GM, waiting room, and meme chart. So you need to talk with them, you need to chat with people in here. Like if I go to this here, Soneium Testnet, as a first step to realize our visions, we plan to launch Soneium Testnet. Okay, so what is the dream is. So let me see it first. So dream is the Soneium updates, he's maybe moderator. Okay, so anyhow, let me see the Soneium Testnet as a first step to realize our visions. We plan to launch Soneium Testnet with stick in the coming days. So there's like talking about this airdrop testnet. So what you need to do, you need to just chat with them. Oh, that's great. People are in here majority for testnet airdrop. Even our perspective, our intention is same. So you can write out and this stuff, or you can interact with certain people, like how to level up, this guy saying. Okay, so you can say that doing you know engagement, doing chat. Okay, so you can say like this stuff. Okay, so maybe each of those set take 1 minute. After you can do the next one. So here is it's counting, so you can do it. And here is another option has as well too. If one option is doesn't work, try another. Here are three options. I showed you this one, this one, this one. So go to the GM if that is doesn't work. Okay, so here is just write down GM, and let me see how much role I have. So if I click on this Ranga Finance, uh, you know here, so here is GNC I have just. Okay, so the next one is memes art. Here you can share memes about their project. Okay, so like this, people are doing a lot in here about this project. You can do too. Okay, so anyhow, this way. And after certain time, you know maybe you did a massive message chat, you did you know you did spend a couple of hours in um Soneium testnet, Soneium Discord. Okay, you spent like a lot of time in here. So anyhow, and then what will happen if I showed you in here. So here is, I already written down everything. So join Discord. If you noticed in here, I already written down everything. So if I read on this, join Discord, pass verification, and start chatting in channels. And here is chat options has, if I showed you these three option, GM waiting room, memes art. And here is this one. If I read for you, the zero goal is to get level 2, but there are limits in the channel, because of which you can send messages every 2 to 5 minutes. and after getting the required level you will have access to the main channel. By joining it you will give the GM role. So here is the exactly the same picture. So go to main server. Okay, they will certain time later while you spend a certain time, they maybe set up. So maybe you engaged with people, you chat with them, and so immediately it will be opened up, okay, after certain time. So join there and join main server, click on there, immediately it will be done. Okay, this is the process. Okay, because I never before participate, I just showed you with my joining process. I would do it. Okay, so I will engage with them as well too. So this is the task, maybe makes sense you. So feel free to join my Telegram channel for getting more value. Even if it's $9. Okay, I'm showing you in here. If I go to the YouTube of mine, and here is one video I already put my link of my paid Telegram channel for, and here is this on. So let's say, so if you don't found how, if you don't know how to join this, you already know definitely because you are master of Airdrop. So click on this title, and here is click this more options, and here is channel. So this bound, click on there, and it will be opened up like this way. Okay, so it will take you in the form that's curated by Ranga Finance, and here is Airdrop paid Telegram channel. So people are earning a lot of money doing Airdrop testnet. So here is this payment proof. If you noticed, here is payment proof, and here is payment proof, and here is what you need. What's your Telegram username? Put your Telegram username here. I will add you on the Telegram channel. So here is benefit I already written down. You can pause this video and read this stuff. Okay, so the main point is here. I'll be your accountable. If you feel sucks with any talks, you can call me, you can DM me anytime. Okay, so I will join in the channel. So 91 people already has in channel. You can be part of us. Just you need to pay for $9. Okay, you need to pay $9 for getting full access entire life. Okay, so what you need to do, just copy this or scan this stuff, or copy this and go to your where you have your USDT, and select network Tron TRC USD. I'm showing you. Okay, so let's say you have Binance, your money has in the Binance. So what you need to do, you need to choose USDT, and network would be Tron TRC20. Okay, so go to the wallet, and here is spot. Okay, so click on this spot and search here. Maybe you already know everything, just demonstrated you it. Okay, so USDT, and here is click on this USDT, and it will be opened up immediately. Click this deposit, and sorry, I need to send it. Let's say, okay, so let's say you have USDT in here, and you want to you need to withdraw in here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Go to overview, and here is click on this withdraw. Okay, click on withdraw and click this withdraw, and here is where you have your coin, whatever. So USDT you need to choose, and click on this send via crypto, and paste your address that I copied on, and here is network would be drawn to your sim, and put $9, and click this withdraw. Okay, and it will be sent me, and you will get transaction ID in here as well. You will get transaction ID. So take the transaction ID. Okay, I'm showing you my transaction ID. You will get in here. So transaction ID would be like this. Okay, so here is the everything I'm showing you. So you will get the transaction ID. Let's say it is, so click this transaction ID and copy it, and here is, let's say you done the payment, so put your transaction ID in here. Okay, so then did you complete payment? If you do, say here done. Okay, like this way, done. Click the submit button. Okay, here you need to put your Telegram channel, because a Telegram handle, because I will take that handle and I will add that Telegram channel in the channel. Okay, I will add that specific handle that you put on here inside of here, and you will be able to see every task in here. You will talk with us in here. Okay, this is as simple as that. So let's say you want to join by your Telegram handle is Ranga Finance, let's say. Okay, so put like this way and click the submit button. Okay, so I will get notified by your submitting, and I will take your, if you do payment, I will take your handle, username of Telegram, and I will add you manually, and you will be able to see everything in here. It's as simple as that. Maybe you understood.